How to lodge a complaint or a query using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can lodge a complaint or a query using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is download the IRCTC Rail Connect application. Then simply launch the application by tapping onto the app icon, and once that will be done, you will need to acknowledge this alert message by clicking onto this OK button. Then after this, you will need to click onto this login button at the top right and verify with your IRCTC credentials. Once that will be done and you will be verified, then you will be logged in into your IRCTC Rail Connect account. Now from here, you need to click onto this more button, and under this more button, you can see this particular option that says help and support. So simply click onto this help and support button and it will redirect you to a new browser. So in this browser window, you will need to enter your email ID or mobile number, and then you will need to enter your CAPTCHA. And then you can click onto the submit button and enter the OTP that you will receive either on the email ID if you have entered that, or either on to the mobile number which you have entered. So after then, click onto the submit button. So after verifying these particular details and the OTP, you can see this particular interface. Now from here, in order to launch a eQuery, you can select the eQuery option, and from here you need to choose a category. So you can choose any of the category that best suits you. If these categories are not suitable, you can click onto this any other issue. Then you will need to choose a subcategory from these following options. If none of these subcategory matches you, then you can click onto this other miscellaneous queries, and from here you can upload a format which could be in the form of a photo or a video as well, and then you can type in the description and click onto the submit button. Once you will do this, your query will be successfully registered and the railway will provide you a resolution within the specified time. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.